Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, wondering if your salary will ever be enough to help you achieve financial freedom? The truth is, it can. Yes, your salary, no matter how small it may seem, can be the key to building wealth and achieving financial independence. In this video, we'll walk through practical steps to turn your paycheck into a wealth-building machine. Let's get started. The first step in achieving financial independence is changing how you think about your salary. Instead of seeing it as just enough to cover your expenses, think of it as a powerful tool. Even if you're earning a modest income, it's all about managing it wisely. With discipline and the right strategies, you can grow your wealth faster than you think. The second step is mastering the art of budgeting. A solid budget helps you control where your money goes and allows you to prioritize savings. Here's how to create a budget. 1. Track your spending. Write down every expense. 2. Categorize your needs versus wants. Make sure your essentials are covered first. 3. Set aside a percentage for savings. Aim for 20%, but if that's too much, start with 5 to 10% and increase gradually. By controlling your expenses, you'll have more money to save and invest. Next, adopt the principle of paying yourself first. Every time you receive a paycheck, take a portion of it and put it directly into savings or investments before paying any other bills. This strategy prioritizes building your wealth over everything else. Even if it's just $50 or $100 each paycheck, it adds up over time. Investing is where the magic happens. While saving is important, investing allows your money to grow exponentially. By putting your money in stocks, index funds, or real estate, you can benefit from compound interest, which means your money earns more money over time. Let's break down the math. If you invest $200 a month at an 8% return over 20 years, you'll have over $118,000. But if you wait 10 years to start, you'll end up with only $50,000. The earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. So start today, even if it's small. It's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle every time you get a raise. But if you want to build wealth, avoid lifestyle inflation. Instead of spending more when you earn more, keep your lifestyle the same and funnel that extra income into savings or investments. By keeping your expenses in check as your income increases, you'll accelerate your path to financial independence. While budgeting and saving are crucial, don't forget to focus on increasing your income. You can ask for raises and promotions at work. Start a side hustle or freelance gig. Learn new skills to increase your earning potential. The more income streams you have, the faster you will reach financial freedom. Financial independence is within your reach, no matter your salary. It's about being intentional with your money, budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. Remember, the journey to wealth takes time and patience, but with each smart financial decision, you're getting closer to the freedom you deserve. Start today, no matter how small. Your future self will thank you. Like, subscribe, and share for more financial tips.